Hello student, welcome back to KG classes. Today I shall teach you mood 10th standards. The simplest use of a verb is to make a statement of fact or ask a question. I write to my brother every week. But a verb may also be used to express a command. Write neatly. Or a verb may be used to express a mere supposition. If I were you, I would not do it. Definition: mood is the mode or manner in which the action denoted by the verb is represented. There are three moods in English. First, indicative. Second, imperative. Third, subjunctive. First, indicative mood. To make a statement of fact, Ram goes to school daily. He writes legibly. The child is alive. To ask a question, have you found your book? Are you well? A verb which makes a statement of fact or asks a question or expresses a supposition which is assumed as a fact is in the indicative mood. Next, imperative mood. First, a command. Wait here, there, come here, open your book at page 7. Second, an exhortation. Be steady, take care of your health. Third, an entreaty or prayer as have mercy upon us. Thus, in certain tradition phrases where it expresses a wish or hope, God bless you, God save the king, heaven help us. In formal English, in a noun clause dependent on a verb expressing desired, intention, resolution, etc. I move that Mr. Gupta be appointed chairman. Be recommended that the subscription be increased to 10 rupees. First, after the verb wish to indicate a situation which is unreal or contrary to fact. I wish I knew his name. I wish I were a millionaire. She wishes the car belonged to you. Second, after if to express improbability or unreality in the present. If I were you, I should not do that. If we started now, we would be in time, but we cannot start now. Third, after as if as though to indicate unreality or improbability as he orders me about as if I were his wife